Hey guys, Shanna here. Welcome back to my channel. This is really exciting. If you've clicked on this, you're probably either stalled out with your results or you're just wanting to lose weight a little bit faster. So I'm gonna show you what I did to lose 32 pounds in 30 days and talk to you about the compounding effect. So just commit to staying right here. You're gonna wanna watch this video in its entirety. So if you're committed to stay right here, hit the like button for me right now so that I know that you're as excited about this as I am to share it with you. I'll be right back to share that recipe. Okay guys, so I'm back. We're gonna talk about the compounding effect. This is what I used to lose 32 pounds in 30 days and to do it in a healthy way that complemented the keto lifestyle. Now, I've done natural medicines for over 8 years. I knew about these components. I knew how to mix them together. But then when I applied them to my keto lifestyle, it was amazing. Now, you can use this with or without keto lifestyle. It's still gonna yield you great results. It just so happens that I do live the ketogenic lifestyle, and when I added this in, I really began to notice amazing results. So what I want to share with you is the compounding effect. When certain components are put together, you get better results, better absorption, better effectiveness. They just work better together and they kind of play off each other in the body to maximize the benefits. A lot of people say, for an example, we'll take, say, 200 milligrams of potassium, and they think they're really doing a good thing by that, and they are. But the fact of the matter is that the body may be only retaining a very small portion of that. The rest is going through the digestive tract and out of the body, and the person doesn't even know it. They think they're getting all the benefit from it. So this is true with a lot of different things, and we want to make sure that all of the healthy things are getting absorbed into our cells in our body, where our body can hold on to it and effectively use it and maximize the benefits of it. So what I want to share with you today is how the components that go into this drink that I took every night before bed, how they work and why they work. And it's important that you listen to this part and stay with it, because when you know why something works and you actually get excited about it and understand why you're doing it, then you will be consistent with it. And consistency is the key. I did this every night for 30 days, and that's how I got such great results. So don't give up on it, and I'm gonna explain to you why this works. Turmeric is 20 times more bioavailable in the body when it's mixed with black pepper than it is on its own. Now, turmeric, you can look it up separately. I'm not going to go into it here, but turmeric, also known as curcumin, has so many health benefits that it's really unbelievable. It is an amazing spice when it's in its pure form. So learning that can be mixed with black pepper, what black pepper does is it kind of maximizes the absorption of whatever it's mixed with. So just mixing turmeric and black pepper makes the turmeric 20 times more bioavailable in the body than by itself. And so black pepper really helps the body to accept, absorb, and get all of the benefits and the nutrients from the turmeric. Now, when you mix that in with apple cider vinegar, which is amazing by itself as well, and a lot of people just take it by itself, but it has vitamin C, it helps fat metabolize, it aids in digestion, it does so many different things. It will get rid of indigestion. Apple cider vinegar is amazing as well. So can you imagine what happens when you put turmeric and black pepper with apple cider vinegar? Can you imagine the benefits there? You're gonna sleep better, feel better. It's going to help support your body so much as your body is metabolizing those fats and using fats as its primary source of energy. Now, one other component before I give you the recipe that I made and give you the amounts of how much of what I used. One other thing I want to share with you that I did was I made the commitment to stop eating at 8 o'clock. When the body is digesting food, it can create insomnia. It takes a lot of energy for the body to process food. So I made the decision that I was going to stop eating at 8 o'clock every night so that by the time I got in bed, my body was done with that process. This allowed me to sleep in a deeper sleep, which is when the body does all of its restorative and regeneration. Sleep is extremely, extremely important. So I stopped eating at 8, got a good night's sleep, and I drank this right before I went to bed. You can drink it in the morning also as well and do it twice a day if you would like to. But to get the results of 32 pounds in 30 days, I did it consistently every night for 30 days. So now I'm gonna tell you exactly the measurements that I used and the actual products that I used so you can see. The very first thing that I did was I took 4 to 6 ounces of bottled water or purified water, and I put it in a little glass, like a juice glass. I added in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Bragg's is my favorite. It's the one I used, and it has the mother in it, so it's very pure and has all the nutrients and components that you want. You can even see it floating around in there. This is the one I used. I think it's the best. So I added to the bottled water, the 4 to 6 ounces of bottled purified water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I added in 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. I use this brand. It's really high quality, and so this is the one I used, 1/8 of a teaspoon. I added that into the mixture. And then I added in turmeric, also known as curcumin. You can get this on your spice aisle. I happen to get mine at a little store up the street. It's really, really pure. You want to make sure nothing else is added to it. You want as pure turmeric as you can find. So I put 1/4 of a teaspoon of that. So we've got 4 to 6 ounces of bottled water, 2 tablespoons Bragg's apple cider vinegar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. Now stir that up so that it all mixes together. You can even put it in a shaker bottle and shake it to kind of help it dissolve better. And I drank that every night before I went to bed. The results were amazing. 32 pounds in 30 days. Pretty great, right? So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Drop us a comment, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications and let us know how this works for you as well. We really want to hear from you. So put something down in the comments if you've tried this method before, or if you're gonna try it, just put try down in the comment section so that we know that you're gonna be giving this a try. Do it for 30 days. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching.